Hello guys, join me for today's video as I will measure the fuel consumption of this Toyota Vios 1.5 CVT using the fuel Gasol 95, and then let's compare it with E20 because last year I've measured the fuel consumption of this Vios using E20, and you can see it here on my channel, and it's about the city consumption and combined city and highway consumption, and I will tell you later. And for this video I will measure how many kilometers per liter using 95 Gasol 95, and then as we can see, we have 87,770. And last week when I fuel full tank, it was 87,523. And this one is about city driving. And I'm driving in a city where traffic is almost non-existent. As you can see, I can drive. This one is almost 80. And when it's traffic light, when it's red, stop, and then when it's green, go. That's just it. This is the city that I'm talking about. Okay, almost there. And actually, Gasol 95 is 32.92 baht per liter, while E20 is 30.71 baht per liter. And let's see which one can help us save a little bit. Okay, here we go. Stay tuned as we compare it, and let's check how much in the clock. Now it's 87,772. Okay, that's it guys. E20 is 30.71 baht per liter, and E25 is 32.92 baht per liter. It's full tank now, and I've consumed 20.049 liters since last week. Okay, so let's compute it. How many kilometers per liter using 95? Okay guys, it's time to measure how many kilometers does this Vios will consume using Gasol 95, and let's compare it with E20, because actually, as I have mentioned a while ago, that last year I was using E20 and I measured the city driving in the city, which as you can see a while ago, that the traffic is almost non-existent, and I've got 11.2 something kilometers per liter. I am mostly alone in the car, and this time I measure the Gasol 95, the same thing, the same city, and the same driving, and the same me as almost alone in the car. So let's see. And last week it was it was 87,523 full tank, and today it is 87,772 full tank. So that means I have driven 249 kilometers in between refuel. So we have 249, and a while ago I consumed 20.049 liters. So that means I've got 12.41 something kilometers per liter for this Gasohol 95, which is better than E20, right? But let's see which one will help us save a little bit in the long run, because they have different prices. Okay, so example, we drive 1,000 kilometers using E20. Okay, and let's divide it with 11.208 something kilometers per liter, because that's what it consumed. So I've got 89.221 something liters for 1,000 kilometer. And if we multiply it with E20's price, that is 30.71, that means I have to pay, or I have to spend 2,740 baht for 1,000 kilometer using E20. Okay, that is 2,740 baht. How about Gasohol 95? Gasohol 95, let's see, 1,000, you've driven 1,000 kilometers, and we divide it into 12.419 something kilometers per liter. So that means I will consume 80 liters, 0.52 something liters, yes, for Gasohol 95. And then if we multiply it with the current price, which is 32.92, it means I will spend 2,650 baht for 1,000 kilometers. So the result means using 95 is better than E20, because though it is a bit expensive, but it will also give us more kilometers per liter. And as what I have said, compare it to 1,000, we can save like almost 100 baht per 1,000, which is not bad. It's good. I'm happy with it. Okay, so stay tuned, because tomorrow we have a trip, and I will measure the highway and city driving fuel consumption for using Gasohol, because last year I've also measured the E20 mixed city and highway driving. It's in this channel, and you can find it here. And then let's see if we can save more. Okay, so stay tuned and please subscribe. God bless.